What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to solder in a backlight kit for the Miyoo Mini Plus. Let's get started. Okay, so first you got 4 screws, 1 in each corner, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take out the battery, put it right there, the cover. You got 2 more screws underneath there. They're just regular Phillips screws, super tiny. Then you want to take out your SD card and you are able to pop off your back shell. Next we're going to pop out this ribbon cable for the LCD panel. Be aware that the buttons for the power and the volume right here will pop out if you flip this over, so I take them out beforehand. All you gotta do to get this guy out is I'm gonna switch it. Use your fingernail, go ahead and pop that piece of plastic up, and you should be able to just pull it out like that. Okay, so you're gonna take your LED PCB and you're gonna go ahead and tin the 2 leads up here. And then you're going to take your motherboard for your Miyoo Mini Plus and you're going to tin the top and the bottom. Then you're going to put this guy on top and you're going to combine. Should look something like that when you're done. There's a bigger wide angle of what it should look like when you're done. Now you just go in reverse and put everything back together. Alright, now we're all put back together. Then you go ahead and power this thing on and see what happens. That's pretty cool. Alright, if you like that, I will go ahead and put the link inside the description of where to buy this kit, and you can refer to this video on how to install it. Thank you. Have a good day.